Hello friends! Today, we're taking a super exciting trip into outer space. Get ready for a STEM space adventure full of planets, stars, and amazing science. Let's begin our countdown. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Our rocket zooms into the sky, above the clouds, above the air, and into space. Look around. Space is huge, dark, and full of twinkling stars. Those stars are giant balls of hot glowing gas, just like our sun. Now let's meet the planets one by one. First stop, Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It's super hot on one side and super cold on the other. It moves really fast. It zooms around the sun quicker than any other planet. Next stop, Venus. Venus is covered in thick clouds that trap heat. It's even hotter than Mercury because of its atmosphere. Scientists call this the greenhouse effect, which means heat gets stuck inside. Now say hello to Earth, our home. It has air, water, and life. Earth is just the right temperature, not too hot, not too cold. That's why plants, animals, and people can live here. Let's glide over to Mars. Mars is known as the red planet. Its soil has iron in it, making it look rusty. Robots called rovers explore Mars and help scientists learn if water once covered its surface. Next up is the giant Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system. It has swirling clouds and a giant storm called the Great Red Spot. This storm is bigger than Earth and has been spinning for hundreds of years. Now we float to Saturn. Do you see those beautiful rings? They're made of ice, dust, and tiny rocks spinning around the planet. Saturn is lighter than water. If you had a giant bathtub, it would float. Time to visit Uranus. Uranus spins on its side like a rolling ball. It's very cold and bluish because of the gases in its atmosphere. Its tilt makes its seasons super long, some last over 20 years. Next is Neptune, the windiest planet in the whole solar system. Its winds are so strong they could blow faster than a speeding car. Neptune is far, far away, making it one of the coldest places you can imagine. And way out past the main planets, tiny worlds like Pluto can be found. Pluto is a dwarf planet, small, icy, and very far from the sun. But it's still a special part of our solar family. Now let's talk about STEM science, technology, engineering, and math. STEM helps us explore space. Scientists study planets to understand how they were formed. Engineers build rockets and space rovers. Technology helps us send signals across millions of miles. And math helps us measure distances between planets. As we drift through space, we see satellites orbiting Earth. Satellites help us use GPS, watch weather, and talk on phones. Astronauts on the International Space Station do experiments that can't be done on Earth. They study how plants grow in space, how bodies change without gravity, and how to keep astronauts safe. Space teaches us to be curious, to ask questions, to imagine what else is out there. Maybe one day you will become a space scientist, an engineer, or even an astronaut. Our rocket begins its gentle flight back home. We pass stars, planets, and glowing galaxies. We land softly back on Earth, safe and sound. Thanks for exploring the universe with me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing STEM adventures.